Hello everybody, my name is Zaire Perkins. I'm 15 years old and I go to Abraham Lincoln High School and I'm here with United Youth Aviators. Also with my flight instructor Titus to go do some touch and goes. And we'll be back when we're ready to taxi.
Before we taxi, let me take the time out to introduce myself real quick to you. Yes, my name is Cleet Titus. I'm the CEO and co-founder of United Youth Aviators. I'm also a certified instrument instructor. And today, we're going to be doing touch and goes, like Zaire said, in a plane. And we want you guys to come along with us. But before you do, please give us a like and a subscribe, because what we're doing with the youth here by changing minds one takeoff at a time means so much to us. Thank you. See you in the plane.
You ready? Yeah. Let's roll. Let's see.
Republic Ground Skyhawk, November 2328, Romeo, Echo requesting taxi for touch and goes with X-ray.
Let's show everybody here what we looking at here on this radar. So, look at this, guys. So all this here, by the way, so all this is track. 1, 2, 3, 4 people probably in the traffic pattern. This person too. So we got a little bit of people in the traffic pattern today.
Romeo, runway 32, that's via Alpha, cross runway 1.
32 via Alpha, cross 1.
32 Alpha, cross 1.
Wait, Romeo.
2A Romeo.
Alright, good. So test your brakes. Alright, ready? So you come off the power and give it the power. Use your brakes, squeeze them. To 1,000. Back to 1,000. It's over here. Alright. Pull it back. They say your brakes are good.
My brakes are good.
Give me the plane.
You start your
I give you the plane.
I have the plane.
I have the plane.
You have the plane.
You have the plane.
Alright, let it go. Let go. Alright, look. My brakes are good. Back to 1,000. Alright, yep. Pull out. So we're gonna go straight, make a right. Get center line.
Step to it, Romeo. Ground, I need you to hold there. There's an inbound Piper to the SUNY hangar.
Alright, we'll hold right here for you, 2-8 Romeo. Alright, 2-8 Romeo, want us to go follow the diamond?
No, you can start going. Looks like it's going to beat you now.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, follow the twin thrust on 2-8 Romeo.
Alright, follow the twin diamond, 2-8 Romeo.
My bad.
No worries.
72 Republic Ground runway 32, taxi via Bravo, Bravo 5.
Right, I'll need this.
Cross runway 1 Alpha.
Bravo 5, cross 1 Alpha.
Good. One hand on that. Alright, good.
Bravo Alpha.
Clear left, clear right.
Alright. We're going that way, right?
Follow the diamond. The map in front of you. Stay on the line. Stay on the line. That's it. Don't break. Don't break. You're going to kill all your momentum. Hey guys, we taxiing out to the runway 32 behind this beautiful diamond. Slow down. 1,000. Look, once you get that momentum, 1,000. Okay, always taxi. There you go. That's good. Look, as I was saying, taxiing behind this twin star, get to do these touch and goes on this crazy windy day, but hey, the best ways to learn, right?
Yeah.
Hey.
Say 5-2 Republic Ground.
Brake, don't bother the brakes. Come off the brakes. Turn, stay on the line. Where you going? Where you going? Oh. Stay on the line. Hey, ready, brake. Oh. Hey, good. Alright, let's switch the tower. Hit that button, switch the tower. Alright, good. You're gonna say Republic Tower, 232, holding short. Look, 32, Alpha 1.
2A Romeo. Republic Tower, 2A Romeo. Holding short of runway 32.
Alpha 1.
Of Alpha 1.
That's the
I messed up a little bit.
Republic Tower, hold short, 932.
Hey, hold short.
Holding short.
Wait, Romeo.
2A Romeo.
It's alright, that's how you learn, right? You
I
know?
make mistakes to learn.
That's right. That man, that's what I'm talking about.
Left traffic, clear for takeoff. Traffic on a 1.5 mile final.
Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff.
Go to brakes. I go to brakes.
And that was for 2A Romeo, and no delay, please. Clear for takeoff, caution wake turbulence, left traffic.
Alright, clear for takeoff. No delay to it, Romeo. Lights on. Lights.
Hey, Chris,
It's all of
clear
them.
touch and go.
All of them.
Touch and
All
go,
of them.
Chris 14.
Alright, good job.
Tower 520 Romeo Alpha.
Alright, go ahead. Turn it on.
520
Alright,
Romeo for
full power.
short landing
Go
traffic.
ahead, full power.
Holding short to ground.
Lock it, lock it. The right.
Joker 72, contact
Alright,
departure.
airspeed alive.
Departure, Joker.
You're alive.
Yep. Get ready to rotate at 55. Go ahead, rotate. Pull back. Here we go. 10
Ooh, that's rocky.
one hand. Oh, please.
Tower's like plus or minus
2 miles.
It's not like I'm scared. It's just like,
Better not be scared, boy.
I'm not.
Play football.
9.7.
Good.
Let's call out base 1 Hotel Whiskey.
Diamond 0 Romeo Alpha.
Degrees.
Running away, traffic to 0.
There you go. Good. All right.
Romeo Alpha 350.
Do you see the traffic? Let's see if we can see it off our wing. Any traffic? Take a look.
Yeah, one right there.
Alright, good. So let's turn crosswind. Ready? Gotta turn crosswind. Alright, get your hand on here. Loosen. Up. 10 degrees. Put that nose down a little bit. Good. Let's keep turning out, guys. So we are on crosswind, where we go across the runway. We basically follow a rectangle, right? Stay in the traffic pattern. Alright, so get ready to loosen that. And pull the power back to 21. Pull the power back to 21. Put the nose down.
On northeast approved, clear for takeoff. When
Up to 1100, 21.
Pipers and left
Good.
Pipers on site, clear for takeoff 320.
Alright, cool. Good. Alright, look back at your runway. Take a look back at it. Got it?
Bravo, runway.
Yeah, I see it.
Good. Alright, let's turn left. Crosswind. Downwind. Yep, stay at 11. Good, right there. Good, push in. There you go. There you go. Alright, when we come out of this, we're gonna go flaps 1. Alright, and here we go, flaps 1.
Double tower 4.
Hold the pressure. Trim up. Hold the pressure. Hold it. Zaire, trim up slowly so you'll feel a little more pressure. How's that?
Actually, for actually,
Good.
just in a short,
Alright, good.
have like a 3-mile gap.
Alright, I'm gonna load the airport real quick, so hit nearest.
Short approach, runway 32.
Load direct.
Use caution.
Bong,
There's a,
bong.
helicopter.
Hit OBS over there.
To the east, about 400 feet.
Alright, let's move. We at 3-2. Let's put this on 3-2. 3-2-5, really.
Whiskey, turn base.
Turn base 1 Hotel.
Victor Bravo,
alright.
do you have Delta 1?
100.
Thank you. Delta
Good,
1,
you keep it at 1100.
traffic for you.
You wanna give a shout out to your family, moms, anybody?
To my mom, my dad, my aunties, my sister, and my brothers as well. My bad little brother PJ.
Alright, PJ, you gonna stop being bad. We gonna come put you on the plane and drop it.
Thanks for the help.
Thank you.
Alright, give it 21 RPM. Little power.
Runway 32.
Alright, start slowing down a little bit. Let's start our descent.
Whiskey, clear touch and go, runway 32.
Clear touch and go, runway 32, 1
Keep
Hotel.
that descent. Slow it down. Good. Alright, you can turn over this
Romeo,
train.
follow that Cessna off your left side now. You're clear touch and go.
Alright, follow that Cessna on our left side to a Romeo. Clear touch and go.
Icarus 14, your traffic's
Alright,
1 o'clock in a
let's start
mile.
our slow turn.
Looking for traffic, Icarus 14.
Right there, that's cool.
Correct, X-ray,
Well,
where you park?
put a little bit more power. Try to maintain
Correct,
80.
X-ray, roger. You can turn right at Delta 2
Good.
and taxi with me, Delta Golf.
Got your runway?
Yeah, I got my runway.
Alright, cool. So we're gonna fly our base for a little bit and then don't overshoot runway.
125.7 for
Alright, so keep your eye on that runway.
125.7, thanks.
Good. So you don't overshoot it. Make sure you on it.
Afternoon Tower, Malibu 413 Mike Charlie, information Yankee.
Alright, hand on the power. All the time. We're landing. Our record.
Our season just ended. The JV season,
Oh, so what was your record?
5-1.
Well, that was a good season. Hey, let's go full flaps. Right, trim up a little bit. Just right there is good. So you want to aim for the middle of the runway, right? So you keep your rudders and make sure you hold center like you taxiing, okay? Right? For the 3-2. You see the numbers? You can't really see it, but you know the 3-2 is there, right? You see the stripes and then there's like something in front of the stripes?
The orange ones?
Oh. Out on the runway. It's white.
I see the. Oh yeah.
The little mad stripes.
Yeah.
It's called the threshold.
15
Right?
and
then we're gonna aim right for the numbers in front of the threshold. You see it? Hand on the power. Right? So add a little bit more juice. So much. Good right there. So we want to maintain 75 knots. Remember, when you move the power, you gotta let the plane have a lag. So you gotta see what it's doing at that new power setting that you set, okay?
Okay.
423 Papa Republic Tower, hold
Hey,
short,
doing
runway
good, doing good.
Hold short, runway 32,
3-2, 3-2, then we're gonna fly out and level with the ground, remember? Got it.
42, extend downwind, look for a
Bring out the power, yeah.
over the inner shoreline at 1,000 feet.
Extending down, can you break out to the southeast for 940?
You want to go
Good.
southeast now?
Alright, when we get over the stripes, start pulling the power out and bring the nose up. Power out, slowly, so good, good, right there. Bring it back, go back,
Above
forward.
1,600 and proceed on course 940.
Good, alright, stay center. Alright, flaps up. For takeoff. Trim for takeoff, trim down for takeoff. Alright, full power.
For Romeo Republic Tower, straight in runway 32.
Full power, good. Full power. Full. Alright, airspeed what?
55 knots.
Airspeed alive. Rotate at 55, go ahead.
Reduce the final approach speed, I'll have a late landing.
You ain't gotta yank it off the ground, just slowly pull it off. Good. And then trim the whole list spot. Trim it down, hold it. Trim down so you don't feel no pressure. Right there, see if that's it. Alright, now you're gonna lock it or hold it. It's too heavy. Alright, nobody. Alright, turn out. Alright, good right there. So we're looking for 1060, okay, the altitude. And then you're going to start bringing the power out to 21 and bring the nose down. You got me? 1020, 1040, 1060, the nose down slowly. Bring the power back to 2100. Good. Turn downwind. Turn downwind. Alright, you're going to say 2 at Romeo, left downwind, full stop.
2-way Romeo, full downwind, full stop.
Left downwind, full stop. Left downwind, full stop. Hand on this.
Inbound touch and go information, Yankee.
28 Romeo, turn base.
Turn base. Say turn base.
Turn base, 2-way Romeo.
I gotta turn your base. Keep it straight, Mike. Keep it straight, even though it's bouncy today. Come on, I want you to do it. Center, use those rudders.
Sirius 3 Echo Golf. You're
Hey,
just,
good. Hey, right for the 3-2. Hey.
He's indicating 1,400.
Right
It's
there.
Skyhawk. If you're
Alright,
joining the final,
start slowing down a little bit. Just a little. Good, keep going.
Alright, we'll look
Keep going straight out with the
keep
runway.
present speed now with your
Alright, trim down real quick, trim down quick.
Republic Tower,
Alright, back on the power. Alright, start bringing it out. Oh, hold it.
Capturing.
Whoa.
Requesting
Wait,
full stop with
it's okay.
information,
Hold
Yankee.
it. Back,
61942.
bring the power out, pull
Being
back.
overflown by
Pull back.
Sirius on a GPS
Hold
approach.
it, hold it right there, hold it.
360.
Alright, good man,
We
good.
got him inside, 940.
Alright, that's what's up.
Now with your couple.
Alright.
Cessna 28 Romeo, left turn Alpha 3, ground point 6.
Left Alpha 3-6 to it, Romeo. Alright, speed up a little bit. Speed up a
Cessna
little
1
bit.
Hotel Whiskey, right
We can hurry up and get off the runway.
Right 360, 1 Hotel Whiskey.
See Alpha 3?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to Alpha 3.
Cessna 942, when you
Hey, slow
come out
down.
of the turn, straight in runway 32.
Alright, turn.
Straight in runway 32, 94 Whiskey.
Alright guys, so we want to thank you guys for coming along with the on. So it was extremely bumpy, cold day, but Zaire did a great job, especially landing and touching in that bumpiness, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll let my man say a few words, some peace out words, you guys.
Later, guys. And make sure you guys have a good day today. And always think about the future, man.
And can we get a like and a subscribe?
Like and subscribe.
Please, you know what I'm saying? Alright, peace out.